I want to ask you, what is your favorite car? While many Nigerian companies were importing vehicles, one man dared to build them locally. That man is Innocent Chukwuma. And his dream gave birth to Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing, Nigeria's first indigenous car company. Innocent Chukwuma did not start with cars. He began with trading motorcycle spare parts in 1981, building a successful business known as Innoson Nigeria Limited. Over time, they saw how Nigerians were paying heavily for imported goods, many of which were not suited to local roads and fuel conditions. In 2007, he decided to solve this problem by launching Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing in Umuede, Nnewi, Anambra State. His goal was to make affordable, durable vehicles designed for Africa by Africans. The company rolled out its first vehicle in 2010, with about 70% of the parts manufactured locally. From cars to buses and trucks, Innoson positioned itself as a patriotic alternative to foreign brands. Gradually, the brand grew and started supplying vehicles to the Nigerian military, police, FRCS, and various state governments, built a factory capacity to produce over 10,000 vehicles annually, expanded to Sierra Leone, Mali, Ghana, and other African countries, created thousands of direct and indirect jobs in Nigeria and many others. In the midst of their good days, they faced skepticism. Many Nigerians doubted the quality of locally made cars. They even preferred Tokumbo cars to Innoson. Should we even talk about foreign exchange? It hit them really hard because some of their components were imported. Poor roads and energy supply made production expensive, but they were able to navigate all these challenges through strategic partnership and leveraging on local alternatives. Listen, it also shows us that homegrown solutions can thrive even in tough environments. While foreign brands may dominate the road, a strong vision, resilience, and understanding of the local market can help a company carve its own lane. The story of Innoson is a powerful reminder that Africa does not just have to consume, we can also build.